Okay, Joshua, for this question, you say you don't know how to do. So we go through this. Just go through step by step with me. I have this Admiralty town, okay, to where? To Bedok town, okay. So this guy, this whole total distance is what? 35 kilometer. And then the same time, okay, John, not Jane. At 11:30, he left this John. At 11:30, he left this place for Phuket town, which is 35 kilometer away. So until here, you're familiar. At the same time, this guy, Bala, left this place at the same time, so it's also 11:30 for Admiralty town. So the speed of Bala is 16 kilometer per hour faster than John. They travel along the same road. So this is the road. I don't want to draw because this line looks more straight than my line. And then to travel along, let me just circle this important thing first, okay? They travel along the same road. 15 minutes later will be what? 11:45. They were the 10 kilometer apart after passing each other. That means that they pass each other. Okay, so I know that Bala's speed is faster. So I believe that maybe Bala will move more. Okay. So this is the place they meet. They pass each other. That means this John is here. Move here already. John. And then this Bala move here. Bala. And this whole thing here is what? 10 kilometer. Yeah. Apart. So you know that this timing is what? Is 11:45. 11:45 for John as well. So how do we go and find first I need to find I know that for this one is 16 kilometer per hour faster than John. Okay, so 16 kilometer per hour for 15 minutes is how much kilometer faster? So 15 minutes so I will have 1 hour or 60 minutes equals to 16 kilometer. 15 minutes is actually 4 kilometer more. So you will draw John is 1 unit. Then Bala will be 1 unit plus 4 kilometer. And then what is their total distance travel? I am actually stuck here for a moment. You know why? Because I keep thinking how to. Let me just draw this thing simple. So for distance John to this, let me label it as X. So here is Y. And then here to here, I label it as Z. Okay? So John travel from here. John travel is equals to X plus Y, right? Because John is here. And here plus Y. This is John travel. But Bala, he travel will be Z plus Bala travel into here, Y. And you should know that this whole thing, X plus Y plus Z is actually equals 35 kilometer. So if you were to add these two distance out, is X plus Y plus Z plus Y. Correct or not? X plus Y plus Z plus Y. So you know that this thing here is actually 35 kilometer. And Y is actually where? Y is here. And Y is 10 kilometer plus 10 kilometer. So you know that the total distance travel is 45 kilometer. Okay? That's it. So I had keep thinking about this part here. So now you know that Bala in this case, Bala total distance travel will be 1 unit. I need to find 1 unit equals to how many? If I know 2 unit plus 4 kilometer equals to 45. So 1 unit, you do some rearrangement, you will notice that 1 unit is actually equals to 20.5 kilometer. So here is 20.5. So 20.5 at 4, because Bala traveled 24.5 kilometer. How many minutes? In how many minutes? That means this whole thing, Bala z plus y is actually 24.5 kilometer in 15 minutes. So 24.5 kilometer, 15 minutes I transfer it to hour is 0.25 hour, actually give me 98 kilometer per hour. Okay, if you don't understand, go back and look at my explanation again.